Ladies, it is the holidays, which means you want to glow. So we have got some easy tips to help your skin celebrate the season with you. Kim Whitaker here from the Center PC. Thanks for joining us again.
Thank you. Good to see you again.
You're looking lovely as always.
Thank you.
Well, you know what? What are some easy tips that everybody can do out there to really make their skin look fresh when they're going to these parties or just enjoying the holidays?
Well, first of all, you want to avoid stress. Stress, is really going to wreak havoc on our skin. It's going to induce skin conditions like eczema, breakouts, you can get blisters, cold sores, things like that. And we don't want that around the holidays. And, we are stressed during the holidays.
Yes.
So, we can relax. We can get a massage. We can get a facial. Okay. And a facial, a chemical peel, things like that are going to help not only our skin conditions, but help us relax.
Now, speaking of the facial peel, because I just wanted to bring that up, this, if you are going to get done, you probably need to do about now before all the big holiday parties, because it takes a couple weeks for your skin to kind of repair.
Yes, exactly. And if you've never had a peel before, you don't know how your skin is going to react. So it's very important you plan ahead. Now, if you're used to routine chemical peels, about a week before is fine. You don't want to do anything the day of in case of a reaction.
The other thing you talk a lot about is exfoliating and really washing our skin right now.
Exactly. Dull, dry skin, no way this season. You want to have fresh, dewy, glowy skin. You want to look gorgeous. So, exfoliating once or twice a week with a little scrub or a little alpha hydroxy acid.
And as far as just regular washing, should this be something that's done morning and night right now, or is that going to dry us out too much?
Just your routine washing, your scrub or your exfoliant can be once or twice a week.
Okay, now you've also got something about a soft mat that you're talking about here for the skin. Explain that.
Absolutely. The pale, soft matte skin is in this year. So kind of throw away your bronzers for now. Don't do your self-tanner. Really, you want to match your foundation to your neck to give you that kind of coherent, flawless look.
Now, here's a question I've always had, because I was always trained, you put your makeup on your face first, then you blend down. Now, is this something you need to start blending up with since you're trying to match your neck?
No, just blend. You should blend it down. Now, your neck, it'll blend into your neck well if it's matching your neck. So, you don't want to go darker and have that line of demarcation. Absolutely
now, if there's somebody who's out there who wants to try a little something special for all the holiday parties, you're talking about eyelashes that you can actually add on or growing some new ones, too, right?
Absolutely. You can use false eyelashes if you're, able to do that. It's a little difficult.
They are very tricky putting them on.
Absolutely. But there are also prescription products out now that are going to enhance your natural growth. It's going to enhance your lashes. It's going to make them longer, thicker, and they're just wonderful products, and they do work very, very well.
Now, if there is just one quick thing that you would say, if there's only one thing you do this holiday season to help your skin, what would that be?
Exfoliate, exfoliate, exfoliate. Yep. Absolutely.
3 words means one thing. Exfoliate and take care of that skin out there. And, of course, if people have any questions, they can reach you over at the Center PC, correct?
Absolutely.
What's the number that you guys have over there for that?
It is 296-9100.
So any questions that you guys have, you can, of course, give Kim a call over there at the Center PC. You look fabulous, ladies. You're going to have a wonderful holiday season. Exfoliate.